California's $50 million funding for legal battles against Trump faces backlash and support. California Governor Gavin Newsom has approved a $50 million fund aimed at defending the state's progressive policies and supporting immigrants against potential challenges from the Trump administration. The funding was passed by the Democratic-controlled Assembly on party-line votes, highlighting the deep political divide in the state regarding the Trump administration's policies. The fund allocates $25 million to the State Department of Justice for legal battles against the federal government and another $25 million for legal aid groups assisting immigrants facing deportation. Republican lawmakers have criticized the funding as a political stunt, arguing that it distracts from pressing issues like wildfire recovery and the rising cost of living in California. During Trump's first term, California filed over 120 lawsuits against his administration, spending approximately $42 million on legal battles related to immigration and environmental policies. In response to the criticism, Newsom emphasized that the funding is intended to protect the civil rights of vulnerable residents and is not meant to defend immigrants with serious felony convictions. The funding for legal battles comes on the heels of a $2.5 billion package signed by Newsom for wildfire relief, which has garnered bipartisan support, contrasting with the contentious legal funding. Newsom has called for further legislation to clarify the use of the legal funding, indicating a willingness to address concerns raised by critics regarding its application. The funding initiative reflects ongoing tensions between California's Democratic leadership and the Trump administration as state officials prepare for potential legal confrontations in the wake of Trump's return to the presidency.